From my last people, a lot of people have been asking me, how does Fanvue work? Now, I understand this is a very important question to be able to make money on Fanvue. So I'm going to be covering that today just for you guys to be able to understand exactly how it works and why this platform is getting 22 million worth of funding to be able to scale. Now, Fanvue is very similar to a platform called OnlyFans, but it also has a small touch of Instagram or TikTok's algorithm, which is extremely important to know. So if you have ever looked into OnlyFans or know what OnlyFans is, then you'll understand the basics of what Fanvue is. And then if you've ever been on Instagram Reels and TikTok, basically merge it in with OnlyFans. Now you may have lost me already, so I'm basically going to talk to you guys exactly what it is, pretending you don't know what either of these social media platforms are and you're starting from scratch, living in a barn for the last 100 years. So Fanvue is a platform that allows AI creators and normal creators to be able to log in, create an account, and then start sharing content online. A lot of the time, if users want to see this content that you're sharing, they have to pay a subscription to be able to view your content. Now, the reason they'll pay a subscription to be able to view your content is to get into your private kind of life or see more explicit images of your model. So yes, this does mean that you're receiving money just because people are nosy, pretty much the summary of it there. But it also has a feature that allows you to be able to post content on an algorithm, also gain Fanvue platform itself, similar to Instagram. If you post a TikTok on Instagram, you get followers from seeing that, blah, blah, blah. You guys know. Fanvue does the exact same, posting videos, and you also get customers back onto your account, which once again are paying to be able to see a bit more about your life and your personality. Now, one massive thing also to know about this platform is that these customers that pay a subscription to be able to see your personal life often want to talk to you as well, or ask you questions about your personal life, which once again is a little bit weird. Personally, I don't know why they do it, but when you've been sitting in your mum's basement for a week, sometimes you get bored and you want a little chit chat. So that's what customers do. They pay a subscription, they look at some of your images on your page, and then they want to message you to talk about your life and have a little chit chat. So what does this mean? How are we going to make money from this? And what is the relevance of me explaining this whole process? Now, firstly, you can get money from getting people to subscribe to your Fanvue account. Now, this is obviously a really easy and passive way of making money. And most people actually underestimate the fact that you can get people paying $5 to $10 per month just to see some AI images that you post up online. Pretty crazy, right? So that's the first thing. That's the first reason why I mention it, because you can get money from posting images online. So everyone wants money, everyone can post images online. It's so easy, and that is one method of doing so. But the second method as well, people can also message your model, and they'll also want to buy more images. Now, this may be because they're explicit images, maybe just because they want to see a bit more about their personal life, but let's be honest, most of the time it's to see not safe for work, explicit images of your model. Whether that model is AI, whether she's real, whatever, they want to see that, and they're willing to pay premium for that. And platforms like Fanvue allow this, which is why it's so much better than something like Instagram, which would not allow this. And also OnlyFans doesn't really allow AI models. So the fact that Fanvue can do this is a massive upper hand, because it means that you don't have to get naked yourself, but you can receive the same amount of money as an OnlyFans model would by using an AI model. Now, once you've done this enough, you've got enough customers, staff selling content to these customers, then that means you're going to be earning a lot of money per month. Some models even go up to 200, 300, 400k per month on the platform, which is crazy. Very much unheard of in the normal day-to-day life, making 400k per month. And you don't even need to show your face online. Technically, the model doesn't even exist. You've just created it online with some prompts. So that's how Fanvue itself works, and that's how you can receive the money from the platform. But if you want a bit more strategy and understanding of how you actually do this whole process, then I can talk you through that exact thing on this YouTube channel. I'm going to be covering marketing, I'm going to be covering AI design, I'm going to be covering how to deal with these customers, how to get these customers in the first place. If you understand and know all of this, then you're going to be easily able to make money online with AI influencers, and not little tiny ad revenues that you get from YouTube. None of that. We're talking about big money very regularly every single month, which is pretty awesome. You fund your holidays, your lifestyle, your villas. I've been jumping from villa to villa for the last 2 or 3 years. So you guys can for sure do the same. Hopefully all of that makes sense. And if you do need another summary, feel free to let me know.